Hi, I'm Daniel Bauer, the Global Makeup Director of MyGlamm, and today we're here with Riya, the winner of India's Next Top Model Season 2.
Season 3.
See.
Thank you.
So we're starting a new series which is called the MyGlamm Mystery Box. As you can see in front of me, we have the Mystery Box. Now there are products in there, I don't know how many and what products, but I'm gonna be creating a look with these products on Riya for you. So Riya, why don't you please open the mystery box? Let's see what we have over here. First product, the threesome mascara. Second product, the Lit Matte Eyeliner Pencil Prom Night. And from Manish Malhotra, we have the soft matte lipstick, the Internal Rose, a soft nude pink. So I only have 3 products. That's not awful a lot, but I think I can manage, and I'm going to show you how to use these 3 products differently on Riya. If you look at Riya, the eyebrows are a little thin, so I think I can use the mascara to thicken them and to make them a little bit fuller. To achieve this, I'm going to use an eyeliner brush and the threesome mascara. So I'm using little strokes as to imitate the hair. As I'm going to the back, I'm keeping the strokes shorter because the hairs are shorter.
So usually where do you start from?
So if you start with the eyebrows, usually you don't do it with the mascara, obviously. It's the most product on the brush. You start midways from the eyebrow because that's the thickest part, and then you create the shape, and then at the end you work yourself to the front. But in this case, because I'm starting with the mascara, I'm dabbing off anyway the excess, and I'm doing only fine strokes. And you're just enhancing the eyebrow. You don't fill it out because it becomes too heavy with mascara.
I always make it wrong. I just do, and it becomes all black.
So that's not the way to do it.
You always create magic with your brushes.
Thank you so much. It's so sweet. Now, what do you think I'm going to do next?
3 products. So
I've got only 3 products.
you can do anything with the 3 products. Lipstick?
Nah.
Come on. Okay, I'm going to show it to you.
Kajal.
Yeah, the kajal. Now, I'm going to let you read out. This is the...
Lit Matte Eyeliner Pencil Prom Night.
Normally you would use a kajal in the inner corner of your eye. I'm going to do something different. Are you not interested to see what I'm going to do, Riya?
Of course, I'm curious to see.
It's quite a strong color, right? It's really nicely pigmented.
See the color? It's so vibrant.
Yeah, it's really nice. Now I have to concentrate. Riya, please don't talk so much. You're gonna look stunning. I'm telling you, I hope you have some plans tonight
Yes.
to go somewhere. Okay.
I have biggest plan tonight.
So again, I'm gonna go to the threesome. And I'm gonna create a little definition around the eyes.
Wow.
So I'm lifting the eyelid a little, so I get very close to the eyelash line. And I'm holding my breath, and that's why I'm not talking. And Riya is not moving because she's scared. Because I want it a little softer, and I just want to create a little definition, I use a little Q-tip to smudge it. So as you can see, I now experimented a little bit more. So I didn't just enhance the eyes, I made an eyeliner, and I'm connecting it to the kajal. What do you think I'm doing actually? You're sitting there, not saying anything. Do you trust me so much?
I trust you completely. That's why I'm sitting here. But what are you doing? Like the wing or the normal liner? Can I see?
No, you cannot. She has to wait till the end. It's not done. Now, can you please turn your face to the camera? I can't always do it. Not this way. Everybody would actually know what I'm doing if I say I'm connecting the lines. Connecting the lines means that I'm doing a...
Wing liner.
Yes. And again, I'm going to be using the mascara.
But what are you going to now do it with it?
I will apply the mascara where it's supposed to go. That is?
Lash.
Yes! I want it to clump up a little bit, to look a little bit more interesting. It's called the spider lash. And what you can do, you can use your fingers and you can squeeze the hairs together so it sticks together and you create those spikes.
But what does it mean, like spider mascara?
Means that like spiders have those legs, those skinny long legs. That's what I'm doing. I'm creating skinny long legs on your eyelash. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom eyelash in the same manner. So spider lashes on top, spider lashes on the bottom. See up there? Look. There.
I can see one spider. Hey brother, I'm coming.
Spiderly lashes, wonderful. I love the regular eyelashes as well, but the spider eyelashes have that little bit of a wow effect, I would say. See, the attention goes straight to her and not to me anymore, and that's what you want. So we're gonna move on to the next product, lipstick, and it's gonna be the internal rose. I love the color.
Fresh
Nice,
color.
yeah. Because the eyes are so expressive, I feel, I'm gonna go a little light on the lips, and therefore the internal rose is really nice. It's a soft pink. Is it heavy? Is it creamy?
It's creamy and lighter. I'm a no makeup.
A no makeup person.
Yes,
Well,
because I got
well.
a flawless skin.
I'm just gonna stay in her natural shape. She got beautiful lips, and since I don't have lip liner and only 3 products, I'm gonna use that to fill it in. It's
But
very
I
good.
like nude lips with brighter eyes, like something dramatic with eyes and nude lips.
That's what
I
you're
like
getting.
that.
That's what you're getting. I want to do something else with the lipstick. So what I'm going to do with the lipstick? What do you think? What can
What
I do?
else you can do with the lipstick?
Yeah.
Like it's just for the lips, that's it?
So I'm going to use it on the cheeks. So I'm dabbing it in very gently, just on the apples. If you smile. So you have to remember, products are meant for one thing, but you don't have to use it only on one part of your face. You can use it anywhere. You should be a little creative. Have you ever tried this before?
No, not really. I thought with lipstick only you can do lips, but this is the first time I'm seeing it, but I'm liking it.
I'm just gonna correct this little thing here, little thing there. And are you ready? Do you want to see it?
I'm done?
Yes, you're done.
Oh, that's
Completely done. I think it looks really fantastic. I love it.
I want to say it.
The reveal.
Can I?
Yes, you can.
Wow! Wow! Only you can do it.
You like
I
it?
love the lashes, yeah? And I like this one too. So I'm all set for my party tonight.
Yes, I hope you're going
Yeah.
out. So as you can see, I got 3 products and I did quite a lot with them. So I want you to try and be creative with the products. You can use different products for different things. You don't only need to use it where it's meant to be, as you can see. So thank you, Riya, for coming
Thanks
and being
for
my
having
mousse today.
me.
I thank you all for joining in, and I hope I'm going to see you on the next episode. And yeah, have fun.
Let's
Bye.
go to the party.